In this video I'm going to show you how to get the B11 filter on TikTok. So when you go to TikTok, to the me page, to your profile, this is how my profile looks, and you want to use the B11 filter, you have to do the following thing. You have to go to the tab to create a new video tab over here. As you can see, this is a face, and if you want to use the B11 filter, you have to go to filters over here. Let me show that again, it was not clear. To the right, here are all kind of filters or options, and hit filters. Then you have to go to landscape, so swipe and hit landscape. And as you can see, here are all kind of options you can choose, like B1, B2, but we want to use the B11 option, so you have to scroll till you see the B11 filter, and as you can see, now I'm using the B11 filter on TikTok. So this is how you have to get the B11 filter on TikTok, and I hope I helped you.